Hello everyone, I'm Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I get my everyday wavy ponytail using some of my favorite products, so here we go. To touch up my bangs, I'm going to go in with my Paul Mitchell Express Ion Style Flat Iron. I'm just going to go in and touch up my bangs. I like to leave a little bit of a bend at the end just to frame my face nicely. You can totally keep your hair straight in this style. I do love rocking a super sleek ponytail here and there, so you can totally leave your hair in its straight state. However, today I'm gonna go in with my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand, and today I'm gonna use the cone-shaped barrel. So I'm just going to take small sections of my ponytail and wrap it around the barrel. I hold it for about 10 seconds and then I let the hair cool in my hand for another 10 seconds and then I release. So now to the final step and my favorite, I'm going to go in and curl my bangs. As some of you may already know, I like to style my bangs and curl them inwards just because I like the way that it frames my face. And now I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and just blend everything together. Now you have a super sassy wavy pony. This is definitely one of my favorite hairstyles, and as you see, it's actually not very hard to create at all. And of course, I have to finish this hairstyle with the Paul Mitchell Gloss Drops. I love this product, it just adds a little bit of extra shine. So I'm just going to add a few pumps to the palm of my hand, rub my hands together, and then evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. It's one of my favorite hairstyles, and definitely come back and check back for new videos every week. Bye guys!